Welcome to this guided meditation for rewiring anxious thought patterns. Find a comfortable position, sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. And continue to breathe deeply for the entire guided meditation. Let's begin. Take a slow inhale and slowly exhale. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel the support beneath you. Allow your shoulders to drop and your jaw to relax. It might help to first tense the muscles, tighten your shoulders, tighten your jaw as hard as you can without hurting yourself, of course, and then relax. Right now, in this moment, you are safe. Now bring your awareness to your mind. Imagine you are sitting beside a river, beside a quiet river. You are watching leaves float by on the surface. Each leaf represents a thought. Some leaves carry fearful thoughts about your health. Some leaves carry worries about the future. Others may carry memories of past anxieties. Simply observe and watch them pass and float gently down the stream. There is no need to stop them, to chase them, or fight them. Let each thought simply float away. As your thoughts arise, say to yourself, I am noticing a thought that says, I do not need to believe this thought. It is just a passing cloud in the sky of my mind. Each time you practice this, you weaken anxiety's grip. So once again, as your thoughts arise, and they will, say to yourself, I'm noticing a thought that says X, insert whatever the thought is saying to you. I do not need to believe this thought. It is just a passing cloud in the sky of my mind. Now repeat these affirmations silently in your mind or out loud. Repeat after me. Not every thought deserves my attention. I choose to focus on thoughts that bring me peace. I release fear and embrace trust in my body. My mind is learning to let go of unnecessary worry. Not every thought deserves my attention. I choose to focus on thoughts that bring me peace. I release fear and embrace trust in my body. My mind is learning to let go of unnecessary worry. And feeling the calm, relaxing energy spreading throughout your entire body. Learning to trust your body is healthy and labeling and just observing your thoughts as being anxious. Remember, anxiety is just a thought or a feeling. It is not an illness. It is not your reality. Remind yourself, what happened last time you had this anxious thought or feeling? And now, slowly bringing your awareness back to your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Pause this video if you would like to continue this state of deep relaxation. I want you to know that you are safe. You are healing. And you are in control. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Here are some next steps for you. Practice thought diffusion daily. Use what else? Use the what else method to shift catastrophic thinking. And in the next lesson, we'll learn how to use exposure therapy to break the fear of symptoms. You've got this, and I am here to help. This free health anxiety course is a powerful complement to the 8-week Transforming SAD course. And SAD stands for stress, anxiety, and depression. This course is available on transformingsad.com, where you can work one-on-one with me or in a group setting, or do self-paced. It's up to you. All right. Well, remember to watch these videos for week 4 for the entire week before moving on to week 5, okay? Don't skip ahead. Just keep watching them over and over every day this week, and then move on to week 5. So, thank you. And together we can grow through this. Namaste.